Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to add your Facebook account that you already have into everything cash software. So first of all, you will need to create an account like this. So after having an account, you turn on the software, and in account management, you need to add a new category and to add in a category management and enter the name category. To add, and after having the accounts categories, I will go to setting, and in the system setting I will set up number of tracks and turn on the skip limit, and in general setting I will turn on automatically get account token and get account key and login with cookie and reset. And after that I will choose add accounts and enter your account here. Next, I will select the category and choose the format of the account, and then choose option, and I will enter the right format with the account that I already are in the software, like this. And I will choose add, and this done, and this is how I add the account in software. And after that, you can select the account that you want, and right click, and choose login Facebook and login via browser. Okay, so basically I just show you how to add your Facebook account that you already have into MPT Care software. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to see more videos about automation software.